This is about as close as I can get. I'm surprised one of these cops didn't stop me.